Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video we have discussed about the religious festival. In our last video we have discussed about the religious festival. So student, first of all let's have a quick overview on the religious festival, and after that I will discuss about the harvest and the New Year festival. And today's topic is harvest and New Year festival. So student, let's have a quick overview on the religious festival. Religious festival means the festival that belongs to our religion. Like every religion have particular festival, like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Jain, Buddhist and Parsi. All are celebrate their religious festival. All are celebrate those religious festival which are connected to their religions. So first one is Navratri and Dashera is the religious festival of Hindu. It is celebrated by the Hindus people. People celebrate this festival over a period of 9 days, and people worship the goddess Durga during Navratri. Now look at the next. Diwali is also a religious festival of Hindu, and it is celebrated by the Hindus people. It is also called the festival of light, and on the occasion of Diwali the Ram come back to Ayodhya, and the people celebrate this day as a welcome to Ram. So they celebrate this day as a Diwali. Look at the next religious festival, Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr is an important festival of Muslim, and it is celebrated by the Muslims. Next, Christmas is also a religious festival of Christian, and people celebrate this festival on 25 December, and people believe that Santa Claus bring gift the night before Christmas. Next, Guru Purab. Guru Purab is also a religious festival of Sikh, and it is celebrated by the Sikh people. Okay student, now come on the So student, now come on the today's topic, and today's topic is harvest and New Year festival. So student, first of all we will read this paragraph. We get most of our food from crops. So in India we celebrate the harvesting of crops. These are called harvest festival. We also celebrate the beginning of the traditional New Year, and this celebration vary from one region to another. Student, we celebrate the harvest festival for crops, and these are called the harvest festival. It means you can say we celebrate harvest festival at the time of cutting of crops, and we also celebrate the beginning of the traditional New Year, and this celebration vary from one region to another. So student, we celebrate harvest festival for crops, and we celebrate the New Year festival on the occasion of beginning of traditional New Year. So student, both festival, harvest and New Year festival, are varies from place to place and varies from region to region, because every people who belong to different state celebrate this festival according to their states and according to their religions. Now look at the next festival, which is the harvest festival. So first of all we will read this paragraph. Bihu is a traditional festival of Assam. It is celebrated thrice a year. In January, Bihu is celebrated as a harvest festival. There is feasting and dancing as people welcome the new harvest. In April, the Assamese people celebrate Bihu to mark the new year. Finally, Bihu is celebrated the third time around October. to mark the finishing of the old stocks of good. So student, Bihu is the traditional and the harvest and the New Year festival of Assam, and it is celebrated at 3 times in a year. So first time we celebrate Bihu in January, and it is a harvest festival, and on the occasion of Bihu, on the occasion of first time of celebration of Bihu, there is a feasting and dancing, and the people welcome the new harvest. People welcome the new harvest on the occasion of the Bihu, which is celebrated in January. And now the second time we celebrate Bihu in April, and the Assamese people celebrate Bihu to mark the new year. So student, the Assamese people celebrate the Bihu in April to mark the new year, to beginning of the new year. And finally, and the third time, when we celebrate Bihu in Assam, we celebrate October. We celebrate Bihu third time around October, and to mark the finishing of the old stock of grain. So student, we celebrate the Bihu in third time to mark the finishing of the old stock, to marks the finishing of the old stock of grains. So student, Bihu is the traditional festival of Assam, and it is celebrated by the Assamese people, and it is celebrated 3 times in a year. It means thrice in a year and 3 times in a year. First time we celebrate Bihu in January, and second time we celebrate Bihu in April, and the third time we celebrate Bihu around October. Now come on the next, Onam. So first of all we will read this paragraph. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. People decorate their houses with garland and pokalam, rangoli with flowers. There are some special events held during Onam like Vallam Kali, the snack boat race, and Pulli Kali, tiger dance. People wear new cloth and enjoy a traditional Onam feast called Sadhya. So student, Onam. Onam is also a harvest festival of Kerala, and it is celebrated by the people of Kerala. And on the occasion of Onam, people decorate and people clean their houses. People clean their houses and decorate their houses with garland and made rangoli, and the rangoli which is made with flowers. On the occasion of Onam, people made rangoli with flowers. And there are some special events, and there are some events which is held during Onam like Vallam Kali, that is the snack boat race, and the Pulli Kali, that is tiger race. These two events are organized at the time of Onam, on the occasion of Onam. And the people of Kerala wear new clothes and enjoy a traditional feast called Shadya on the occasion of Onam. So student, Onam is also harvest festival of Kerala, and on this day people decorate their houses, people wear new clothes and enjoy a feast on the occasion of Onam. Now look at the next harvest festival, that is Pongal. So first of all we will read this paragraph. The harvest festival of Tamil Nadu is called Pongal. The festival is celebrated over 4 days in January. People clean their homes and decorate them with kolam, design made on floor with rice powder. They wear new clothes and make pongal, a sweet dish made from newly harvested rice and jaggery. So student, Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu, and it is celebrated by the Tamilian peoples, and it is celebrated in January, continue 4 days. And on the occasion of Pongal, people clean their homes and decorate their homes with kolam, decorate their homes with rice powder. And on the occasion of Pongal, peoples of Tamil Nadu wear new clothes, eat sweet dish, and from newly harvested rice and jaggery. So student, now come on the next harvest festival, that is Baisakhi. First of all we will read this paragraph. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. It is celebrated in mid-April. It also marked the beginning of the new year. New Year is celebrated in some state in southern India as Ugadi, Poila, Baishakh mark the new year of Bengalis and Navroz marks that of Parsi. So student, Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab and it is celebrated by the Punjabis and it is celebrated in mid-April. It is celebrated in mid-April and it also marks the beginning of the new year. So student, Baisakhi represent the beginning of new year is celebrated in some state in southern India as Ugadi, Poila, Baishakh mark the new year of Bengalis and Navroz marks the Parsi. Navroz is the new year of Parsi. So student, now look at the next. In Punjab, people celebrate Lohri to mark the end of winter and the beginning of spring. This festival is celebrated as Makar Sankranti in many other parts of India. So student, in Punjab, people also people celebrate Lohri. People celebrate Lohri to mark the end of winter and the beginning of spring. Here, the Lohri is the New Year festival of Punjab and it is celebrated by the Punjabi and it is celebrated to mark the end of the winter and beginning of the spring season. This festival is celebrated as Makar Sankranti in many other parts of India. So student, this festival is celebrated in UP as a Makar Sankranti in many other parts of India. It is also celebrated in other parts of India. So student, now look at the next. In some parts of India like Gujarat, people fly kite on the day of Makar Sankranti. So student, on the occasion of Makar Sankranti, in some state, the people fly kites on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. Look at the next pic. On Lohari, a bonfire is lit and food items made of sesame seed or peanut mixed with jaggery as thrown in the fire. So student, on the occasion of Lohari, people collect around the fire and people put some items which some food item in fire. So student, I hope you all are understand about the harvest festival and the new year festival. That's all. Thank you.